In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram dashboard not showing. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, log out and log in back. For that, head over to settings and activity page. Scroll all the way down until you find the option of log out. Click on it, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and log in back. Check whether the dashboard appears. Next up, first close the Instagram app. Then relaunch it. This will clear temporary app glitches. Next up, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check your professional account. For that, launch Instagram. Navigate to profile page, click on three bars. Once you're over here, scroll down until you find the option of account type and tools. Make sure your account is set to creator or business. If you're using a personal account, the dashboard won't be available. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary server issue or a bug on Instagram site. If that's the case, wait a few hours and try again later. Also, you can completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.